Ever wondered why the letter G can sound like two different letters? Let's uncover this phonic secret. Let's dive into the world of phonics. The letter G is unique because it has two distinct sounds. When letter G pairs with I, E, and Y, it makes a soft J sound. Example, giraffe, cage, ginger. But when the letter G meets A, O, U, and all the other consonants, it makes a hard G sound. Example, gate, goat, gun, glass. And yes, there are exceptions like gift and girl, where letter G holds onto its hard sound. Once you know these secrets, reading becomes a breeze. If you found this helpful, don't forget to save and share it with fellow parents. Let's make phonics fun and easy.